In this video, we are going to look on how to fix Marvel Rivals DirectX 12 not supported on your system error. First, check your system requirement. For example, your computer must have Windows 10 or later versions. Your graphics card must be able to support DirectX 12. To check your DirectX version, simply press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. Then type this and hit enter. Confirm that DirectX 12 is supported. Second, you can try updating your graphics card to the latest drivers. For NVIDIA users, you can go to NVIDIA's official website and download the drivers. And for AMD users, you can go to their official website and download the drivers. I will provide the links to their respective website in the description. After you update your drivers, you need to restart your PC and try launching the game to check if it works. If all this does not work, you can verify game files because sometimes corrupted game files might trigger the error. To verify game files, open Steam, right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. Click on Installed Files and then click on View Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete and then relaunch the game. You can even try to adjust the game's DirectX settings manually. Right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. In the General tab, click on Launch Options and enter the following commands, one at a time. If that still does not work, then try this for DirectX 11 compatibility mode. Close the window and launch the game to see if the problem is solved. Final step, you should update DirectX by visiting Microsoft's official website and download the DirectX End User Runtime web installer. Install the latest version and restart your PC. I hope this helps you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.